Level 1 Floor Exercise. The routine may be reversed in its entirety. However, no single element may be reversed unless indicated by an asterisk. There are 8 major elements in the Level 1 Floor Exercise routine. 3/4 handstand, cartwheel, quarter turn inward, lunge, backward roll tucked, candlestick, forward roll tucked, forward passe balance, forward chassé, split jump. Step forward onto a straight left leg, flat or in releve. Kick the right leg forward to horizontal or above. Step forward through the ball of the right foot and execute a right lunge. Straight leg entrance is also acceptable. Lift the left leg backward upward, maintaining a straight line from the hands, torso, and left leg while reaching for the floor. Continue this levering action and lift the left leg backward upward as the torso lowers. Place the hands shoulder width apart on the floor while pushing off with the right leg to arrive in a handstand with the torso and left leg achieving a minimum of 3/4 handstand position with legs separated, head neutral, with a tight, straight body position. Step down using the levering action to finish in a right lunge, pressing the right knee and both hips forward. Step onto a straight left leg. Kick the right leg forward upward to a minimum of horizontal, flat or in releve. Step forward through the ball of the right foot and execute a right lunge. Straight leg entrance is also acceptable. Lift the left leg backward upward, maintaining a straight line from the hands, torso, and left leg while reaching for the floor. Continue this levering action and lift the left leg backward upward as the torso lowers. Reach forward to place the right hand sideways on the floor as the body turns 90 degrees left. Place the left hand on the floor sideways or slightly turned in, hands shoulder width apart, as the right leg pushes off the floor to execute a cartwheel right. The head remains in alignment with the shoulder and hip angle open, and focus under the left arm in order to see the floor on the step down. Inward to step down using the levering action to finish in a left lunge, pressing the left knee and both hips forward. Close the left foot beside the right to finish in a straight stand. Bend the knees to arrive in a tuck sit, keeping the feet on the floor. Begin rolling backward with the head tucked, chin to the chest. Immediately place the hands on the floor by the shoulders, palms down, fingers pointing toward the shoulders. As the hips roll backward through vertical, push down against the floor and extend the arms, taking weight off the head and neck. Maintain the tuck position throughout the roll to finish in a tuck stand. Immediately extend the legs to finish in a straight stand. Bend the knees to arrive in a tuck sit, keeping the feet on the floor. Begin rolling backward to extend the body into a candlestick position. High on the shoulders, toes pointed to the ceiling, hip angle open. Roll out of the candlestick and with or without the use of the hands on the shins, pull the knees close to the chest and heels close to the buttocks to arrive in a tuck stand. Reach forward to place the hands on the floor. Lower the head by tucking the chin to the chest and keeping the back rounded. Lift the hips to place the back of the head and shoulders on the floor. Push off both feet to initiate the forward roll tuck. During the roll, maintain the tuck of the legs, and with or without the use of the hands on the shins, pull the knees close to the chest and heels close to the buttocks. Maintain this tight tuck position throughout the forward roll. Place the feet on the floor and lean forward to arrive in a tuck stand. Immediately straighten the legs to finish in a straight stand. Begin the forward walking steps by pushing off the left foot while simultaneously reaching forward onto the turned out right foot, releve to flat. Point the left foot behind slightly off the floor as the weight transfers to the right foot. Do not perform a kick or an arabesque here. Immediately bend the left knee forward with the left knee turned out and pull the pointed left foot forward to briefly brush by the right ankle, turned out coupe. The foot should be pointed as it brushes through the coupe position. Extend the left leg forward, pointing the turned out left foot on the floor. Repeat the walking step on the left leg. Step forward onto a straight right leg with the right foot slightly turned out, not in releve. Bend the left knee forward and pull the pointed left foot forward to touch the right knee to perform the forward passe balance. Mark the position. Push down on the floor with the right foot to extend the right ankle to arrive in a releve stand. Immediately lower the right heel back onto the floor. Extend the left leg forward to point the left foot toward the floor. As the left foot approaches contact with the floor, demi-plie the right leg and then step forward onto the left foot, turned out slightly, through fourth position demi-plie with the heels on or near the floor. Push off the floor with both feet to execute a forward chassé, closing the right foot behind the left foot in the air. Tight fifth position. Land in demi-plie on the right leg with the right foot turned out slightly. The left leg remains in front, pointing down toward the floor. Step forward onto the left leg through demi-plie. Swing the right leg forward upward to a minimum of horizontal while simultaneously extending the left leg to execute a leg swing, not on releve. Step forward onto the right foot, not in releve, and close the left foot beside, touching the right foot to finish in a straight stand. Demi-plie both legs. Push off the floor, extending the legs through the hips, knees, ankles, and toes to execute a split jump with a minimum of 30-degree even leg separation with the right leg forward, left leg behind. Land on both feet simultaneously side by side in demi-plie, pressing through the balls of the feet to lower the heels onto the floor. Extend both legs to finish in a releve balance with both legs straight. Hold 1 second. Lower both heels back onto the floor with control. Demi-plie the left leg and step forward onto a slightly turned out bent right leg, shifting the weight through fourth position demi-plie with both heels toward the floor to perform a weight transfer onto the right leg. Extend both legs to finish with the left leg extended backward, slightly turned out, and the left foot pointed on the floor.